Dear friends, in this video, I will tell you how you can download videos from Google Drive. It's a step-by-step process that you need to follow. If you like the video, like it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Step number 1. Open the Chrome browser. Step no 2. Go to drive.google.com website. Step number 3. Here, you need to click on My Drive. Step number 4. Here, you need to click on Type. Step no 5. Here, you need to click on Videos. Step number 6. Select the video that you want to download. I'll show you by downloading it. So, in step number 7, simply click on the download button. Hopefully, you got information from this video. If you did, like the video. If you're not on channel, then subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and be sure to share this video with your friends.